Hello everyone, you're welcome back on this platform. I'm your guy BETONG, always happy to be here with you guys. Yeah, the environment looks so nice. It's summer here in Sweden. I'm so happy I can go around, without any clothes. Usually when it's winter, you have so much clothes on you, but now that it's summer, we don't have so much on us, so it's good. By the way, Bitcoin has gone down to about 61 or $60,000, something like that. And I know most of you are so scared right now because your altcoins are plunging downwards with Bitcoin, which is normal. I've always mentioned on my platform that Bitcoin is the alpha, and when Bitcoin moves, it moves with the market. So whenever you are holding any altcoin out there, if that altcoin is so volatile, you have to make sure Bitcoin is in a good spot for you to be able to either buy back, take out profit, or get out from the market. You need to be able to look at where Bitcoin is to give you an urge on what might happen in the market. If say you believe in an altcoin long term, it's good. When Bitcoin dip, you can then now buy, when that coin is more cheaper. It's always good to buy cheaper. And most of you who are freaking out, maybe your altcoins have plunged downward to about, let's say, 50%, 30%, or 25%. Is good. Now is the time to buy and make money. People who make money from the bear market. When the market is dipping, that's when you make money. That's why I always encourage you guys to keep most of your assets in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Because when things like this happen, Bitcoin might plunge down about, let's say, 10%, 5%, 1%, 2%, but those altcoins that are gonna plunge down, like, let's say, about 50%, 20%, 30%, 1x downward, which is not good, right? So you need to be able to build a portfolio that Bitcoin is this at the center, and when Bitcoin plunge downward, you use part of your Bitcoin, let's say 10% or 20%, to buy an altcoin that you believe in long term. So you are gonna use that altcoin to accumulate more Bitcoin. When the altcoin pump, you cash out the profit, you sell into Bitcoin. When Bitcoin dumped, that altcoin is gonna dump even more than Bitcoin. This has happened over and over and over and over again. And this shouldn't be something new to you. This should be something normal, knowing that when Bitcoin is moving, it moves with the market. So those of you who are freaking out, as I mentioned, don't panic. Now is the time for you to make money. When the market is dipping, it's giving us an opportunity to buy when the market is cheap. When prices are in discount, like Bitcoin, Quants, and other altcoins out there, they have plunged down like crazy. So it has given us an opportunity to accumulate more right now. And when the market starts, recovering, which is going to happen, then that's when we start, cashing our profit again into Bitcoin. And you keep doing this, compounding, compounding. Before you realize it, you have made so much Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin helps you to keep money, and altcoins helps you to make money. So when you make money, you buy Bitcoin to keep that money. So I believe this message is clear with you guys. I'm so happy because I have an opportunity right now to buy this altcoin, which is cheaper, and I can use the profit when the altcoin start, pumping to the upside, to buy Bitcoin again, to protect the profit that I made. And if Bitcoin is gonna go to $50,000, I know this altcoin are gonna plunge down even more. So make sure you are safe, be in Bitcoin more, have like one or two altcoins that you believe in long term, and keep compounding, making more profit. So hopefully this content was helpful to you. And if you want me to keep creating more of such content, then you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button right now, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. I will say all this good stuff in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.